Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another Odoo 18 tutorial by Cybrosys. Today let's talk about the rewards which you can find inside the referral module of Odoo 18. So we've already talked about the referral points. These points can be converted into rewards in future. So here we have an area where you have to configure the rewards, okay? It can be anything. So based on specific points, rewards can be configured. Let me show you how this is done. So let's talk about the rewards in the referrals. So earning and redeeming rewards is what we are going to talk about today. So to earn points, employees can refer different employees or new hires. So on successfully hiring those referred people, you will be earning points. And after exchanging these earned points, you can get desired rewards. Okay. So how to create and configure rewards, let me show you. For that, you have to open the referrals. Okay. So inside the referrals, you have the configuration under which you can find the rewards. So this is the rewards. And you have things like mug, Amazon vouchers and all. So to create a new reward, what you have to do is click on new and you have to specify the reward name. So it can be anything. I'm just putting it as a pen. A pen is the reward. And for that, you only need 10 points. Sorry, I'll write it again, 10 points. Okay. And that is where you have to specify the name of the product. And at the cost, you have to enter the number of points required to redeem the reward. Then you have the company where you have to select the company. And then you have the gift responsible. So here you have to select the responsible employee for that. So you can choose one particular employee. So I'm putting Michelle Edmond. And here under the description, you have to enter a brief description of the reward. So I'm putting as this reward is for you. Okay, so that's what I'm specifying over here. And then I'm saving it. So here you can specify the picture of your product. So if you click on this, you can choose one from your system. So I'm not choosing one. Let it be. And if you go back to rewards, you can see pen has been added. So let's see how to redeem the reward. So right now we've created one. Let's see how to redeem one. We also have Kanban view for this. Okay. So this is the Kanban view. Now if you go to the referral dashboard and if you scroll down, you can see view, jobs, email a friend and rewards. For this person, he have 122 points to spend. Okay. So if you just click on rewards, you can see the rewards which are there. So for this particular reward, that person needs 750 points, but that particular person only have 100 and something, right? So it shows like you need another 628 points to buy this, but that person can buy this mug or even this pen. Okay. So because he have enough points to buy both of these rewards, so I'm just going to buy the pen over here. And it will be asking for a confirmation message. Where do you want to confirm this reward? After confirming, an HR will contact you. So I'm clicking on OK. Okay, so that particular reward has been redeemed. So if you click on buy, you can click the buy on the desired reward, that only if you have sufficient points. Okay, and you can confirm that in the pop-up, and your points is balance. Your point balance is updated to reflect the reward purchase. So administrators must create and configure rewards before employees can redeem them. And you have to ensure accurate point values and clear reward descriptions for an effective rewards program. This is how you can easily configure and redeem rewards. So yeah guys, that's it. So that's how easily you can manage the rewards. I hope that's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.